Good morning, my dear students. Welcome again. Today we are going to talk about our second lesson in algebra for the second term. This lesson is called adding and subtracting matrices. Let's go. So today's lesson is adding and subtracting matrices. Okay? To add two matrices together, they must be in the same order. So to add two matrices, A and B, if A is of order 3 times 3, we have here a matrix A is of order 3 times 3. Here, for example, if A is a matrix of order 3 times 3 and you want to add it to a matrix B, so B is also must be of order 3 times 3. So the condition of adding that the two matrices must be of the same order. So example 1, here if A equals 1, 3, 4, first column, negative 2, 5, 2, this is the second column, and B equals negative 1, 5, 3, plus negative 2, 1, 2, this is the matrix B, and we have matrix C. Find each of the following if it is possible, okay? Here we want to find 2A plus C transpose, 2A plus C transpose, okay? Solution. 2A means to multiply all the elements of the matrix A, 2A plus C transpose. 2A means to multiply all the elements of the matrix A by 2. Okay? So now it will be 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times negative 2 equals negative 4. 2 times 5 it will be equals to 10. Okay? And 2 times 2 it will be equals to 4. This is 2A plus B plus C transpose plus C transpose. So we have to find the transpose of the matrix C, and it will be 2, 0, negative 1. This is the first row, will be the first column, and the second row will be the second column. You can see that the first matrix is of order 3 times 2, okay? And the second matrix is of order 3 times 2 also. So we can find, it is possible to find the addition of the two matrices, and it will be equals. Here we will add 2 plus 2 equals 4, and negative 4 plus 3, it will be equals to negative 1. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 8 minus 1, 8 plus negative 1. 8 plus negative 1, it will be 7. 8 plus 6, it will be equals to 14. So very easy lesson is to add two matrices together. Okay? Number 2, here we want to find B plus C. B plus C. Okay? Write the matrix B, negative 1, negative 2, 5, 1, 3, and 2. This matrix of order 3 times 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. So 3 times 2. Plus the matrix C, 2, 0, negative 1, and 3, 4, 6. This matrix of order 2 times 3. Okay? So you can see that the first matrix is of order 3 times 2. The other matrix is of order 2 times 3. We have here two different orders. So it is impossible to add B plus 3. Okay? So you were right. It is impossible to add the two matrices B plus C because they haven't the same order. Okay? Or they haven't the same system. Okay, let's go to another example. Example 2, if A is the matrix 2, negative 1, 6, 3, 5, 7, B is the matrix whose elements are 2, 0, 2, 4, 4, negative 3, negative 8. Check that A plus B for all transpose equals A transpose plus B transpose. Okay? Check means to prove. We want to prove that AB for all transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. So let's solve it together. Solution. First, we are going to find A plus B. This is the first step, to find A plus B. And the second step is to find A plus B for all transpose. A plus B, it will be equals to, this matrix is of order 3 times 2, and B is a matrix is also of order 3 times 2. They have the same order or the same system, so we can add the two matrices A and B. 2 plus 0 will be equals to negative 1 plus 2, this is equals to 1. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 plus negative 8, it will be equals to negative 1. Now we will find A plus B for all transpose. That is to say that we will find the transpose of the matrix A plus B. Okay? The transpose means to replace rows by columns and columns by rows. So this is the first column. It will be the first row, 2, 1 and 10. And this is the second column. It will be the second row, 7 to negative 1. Okay? This is the first, this is the left hand side. You can write here left hand side, which is A plus B for all transpose. Okay? Right hand side equals A transpose plus B transpose. Okay? So here we want to find A transpose, the transpose of the matrix A, plus the transpose of the matrix B. A transpose, here we are going to replace the columns by rows and rows by columns. Okay? This is the first row, 2, negative 1 and 6. It will be the first row, 2, negative 1 and 6. Here is the second column. It will be the second row, 3, 5 and 7. Plus B transpose, Here B transpose, this is the first column, 0, 2 and 4. It will be the first row, 0, 2, 4. And for negative 3, negative 8, it will be the second row. And we will write for negative 3, negative 8. By adding the two matrices together, 2 plus 0, it will be equals to negative 1 plus 2, it will be equals to 1. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 5 plus negative 3, it will be equals to 7 plus negative 8, it will be equals to negative 1. This is number 2. By comparing between the two matrices, you can see that they are the same. So we will write from 1 and 2, A plus B for all transpose, will be equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay? And you can take it as a rule that in any two matrices, A plus B for all transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. As you distribute the power over A and B. So A plus B for all transpose, this is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. You can use it in solving some other problems. Okay? Let's go to another example. Example 3. If A is the matrix whose elements 2, 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, and we have also the matrix B and the matrix C. Here he wants to find the value of 4A minus 2B plus half C. Okay, let's solve it together. Solution. Here we want to find 4A minus 2B plus half C. Okay, this is equals to, what do we mean by 4A? 4A means to multiply 4 by all the elements of the matrix A. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times negative 1, it will be negative 4. 4 times 0 will be equals to 0. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay? Negative 2b or minus 2b. Okay? Here we will multiply the matrix B by negative 2 and we will put plus sign here, and we will multiply all the element of the matrix B by negative 2. 2 times negative 2, it will be negative 4. 2 times negative 1, negative 2 times 2, negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 1 will be equals to 2. 3 multiplied by negative 2, it will be equals to negative 6. Negative 2 times negative 2, 4. Negative 2 times 5 equals negative 10. Negative 2 times negative 3, it will be equals to 6. And the last one is half C. We will multiply the matrix C by half. So it will be plus 0 times half, 0. 4 times half, half of 4, it will be equals to 2. Half times negative 2, it will be equals to negative 1. Okay. Half times 8, it will be equals to 4. Okay, and 4 times half, it will be equals 2. Half times negative 6 equals negative 3. Half times negative 2, it will be equals to negative 1. Now we are going to add the 3 matrices together, or you can add the first 2 matrices, then you can add the result or the sum of the 2 matrices to the third one. Okay, I think it's easy to do it, the 3 matrices together. A minus 8 minus 4, it will be 4. 4 plus 0, it will be equals to 4. Here 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, it will be equals to 10. Negative 4, negative 4 plus 2 equals negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 1, it will be equals to negative 3. 12 minus 10 equals 2. 2 minus 3, it will be equals to negative 1. 0 minus 6, it will be equals to negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4 equals negative 2. 16 plus 6 equals 22. 22 minus 1, it will be equals to 21. Okay, so this is the value of 4a minus 2b plus half c. Okay, let's go to another example. Example 4. Here we have 2 matrices A plus B. Okay, here he told us to find the matrix X. Here we want to find the matrix X. Okay, the matrix X such that 3 multiplied the matrix X plus 2B equals A. Okay, this is one of the important questions in this lesson. Here we have 3x plus 2b equals A. Okay, and we want to find the value of the matrix X. X here is a matrix. Okay, as we solve any equation, 2b will go to the other side. So now we have 3x will be equals to A minus 2b. Okay, first we want to find A minus 2b. Okay, so we can write that the matrix 3x equals A minus 2b. A is the matrix negative 1, 1, and 4. 2, 5, 0, 3, 7, 2. Okay? Minus 2b, that is to say that we are going to add this matrix plus, and we will multiply the elements of the matrix B by negative 2. We will add the matrix, we will multiply all the elements of the matrix B by negative 2. So it will be 1 times negative 2, negative 2, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, 3 times negative 2, negative 6, negative 2 times negative 2, it will be 4, 4 times negative 2, it will be negative 8, 0 times negative 2, it will be 0. Multiplied the third row by negative 2, it will be 0, 2, and 6. Now we are going to add the two matrices together. It will be negative 1 plus negative 2, negative 3, 1 plus negative 4, negative 3, 4 plus negative 6, it will be negative 2. Okay, 2 plus 4 will be equals to 6. 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8, negative 3. 0 plus 0, it will be equals to 0. 3 plus 0 equal 3. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 2 plus 6 equals 8. You can see that it's a very easy example. Now we have 3 multiplied by the matrix X equals this matrix. Okay? But here we want to find X. We want to find the value of X, of the matrix X. So now we have 3 multiplied the matrix X equals negative 3, negative 3 and negative 2. To find the value of X, we have to divide all the elements. We have to divide all the elements of the matrix, of this matrix, by 3. So negative 3 divided 3, it will be equals to negative 1. Negative 3 divided negative 3, it will be equals to 1. Negative 2 divided 3 will be equals to negative 2 over 3. 6 divided 3, it will be equals to negative 3 divided 3, it will be equals to negative 1. 0 divided 3, it will be equals to 0. 3 divided 3, 1. 9 divided 3 equals to 3. 8 divided 3, it will be equals to 8 over 3. So now we get the value of X. So if we have 3 multiplied the matrix X equals another matrix, and we want to find the value of X, divides all the elements of this matrix by 3. Or you can multiply all the elements of this matrix by 1 over 3. Okay, both of them are correct. So you can say that 3x we are going to multiply it by 1 over 3 and multiply the other matrix by 1 over 3. Okay, you will get the same result. Okay, let's go to another example. Here we have two matrices A and B. Find the matrix X. Here we have to find the matrix X. Okay, here we want to find the matrix X. Okay, find the matrix X that satisfies that 2 times X transpose minus A equals 3B. Okay, solution. Here, first we are going to multiply. We are going to distribute 2 over the 2 terms of the bracket. 2 times X transpose, it will be 2X transpose. 2 times negative A, it will be negative 2A, and this is equals to 3B. Okay? Okay. Negative 2A will go to the other side. So we have 2X transpose will be equals to 3B plus 2A. Now we will find the value of 3B plus 2A. This is 2, this is equals to. We are going to multiply all the elements of the matrix B by 3. 0 times 3 will be equals to 0. Negative 1 by 3 will be equals to negative 3. 3 times 3, 9. 5 times 3, 15. 2 times 3 will be equals to 6. Negative 4 negative 4 times 3, it will be equals to negative 12. Plus 2a. 2a, that is to say that we are going to multiply the matrix A by 2. Okay, 2 by 2 equals 4, 3 by 2 equals 6, negative 2 by 2 equals negative 4, negative 1 by 2 equals negative 2, 4 by 2 equals 8, 5 by 2 equals 10. Add the two matrices together, you will find that 0 plus 4 equals 4, negative 3 plus 6 equals 3, 9 minus 4 it will be equals to 5, 15 minus 2, 13, 6 plus 8, 14, negative 12 plus 10 equals negative 2. Now you can write that the matrix 2x transpose, it will be equals to the matrix whose elements are 4, 3, 5, 13, 14 and negative 2. Okay? But this matrix is the value of 2 multiplied by x transpose. So to find x transpose, first we will divide all the terms of this matrix by 2, or you multiply all the terms of this matrix by half. So you will divide it by 2, or you multiply it by half. Divide by 2, it will be equals 2, 3 over 2, 5 over 2. Here also divide by 2, it will be 13 over 2. 14 divided 2, it will be equals to 7. Negative 2 divided by 2, it will be equals to negative 1. Okay? But this is the value of x transpose. It is not the value of the matrix X. This matrix is x transpose. We want to find the matrix X. So the matrix X, we are going here to find the value of the matrix X. So it will be X only. And to find it, we will find the transpose of the matrix X. So we can say that here X transpose, for all transpose, it will be equal this matrix, the transpose of this matrix. Okay, X transpose transpose, this is equal to a matrix X, and here this matrix we will find the transpose of it. We will change the row by columns, 2, 3 over 2, 5 over 2, and the other one will be 13 over 2, 7 and negative 1. So now you get the value of the matrix X. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today, and in the next time we are going to study multiplying of two matrices. Thank you so much. Until we meet again with the third lesson, multiplying of two matrices. Until we meet again next time, goodbye and good luck.